presenting the 2011 BMW 328i. If you are looking for a first-class ride, you have found it. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are brake fade compensation, automatic climate control with microfilter, power heated exterior mirrors, 8-way adjustable front seats, front rear head protection system, halogen freeform front fog lights, dynamic cruise control, electric interior trunk release, and 10-speaker audio system. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.